good, y'all? It's your girl Ifa K, and I'm back at it one more again. What you doing? What you doing? For real? Y'all already know what time it is. I ain't even gotta go there with y'all. For all of you newbies, my name's Ifa K. I love beauty, I love hair, I love makeup, I love playing in all of those things. So, yeah, if you like those things too, I hope you'll consider becoming a part of the fam before the end of the video. And for all my baes, my boos, my lovies, hey y'all. So today I am bringing y'all some hair from a company that reached out to me. I do believe the name of the company is AISI hair. AISI hair. I don't know. But they reached out to me and they wanted me to review a unit for them. So the unit that they sent me is, y'all, let me be transparent, okay? So I tried to review this unit. I took pictures in it. I hyped myself up to like the wig. Y'all, I do not care for bangs on me. So this is in no way a reflection of the company because the company is legit. Like, the lady was super sweet. So I tried to do the review. Y'all, I was not feeling this hair. So I said, let me just, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, get my life. All right, so this unit has 2 combs in the front. You got your 2 combs right there. Oh, and the 2 adjustable straps in the back. All right, so I'm going to put on a wig cap and I'll be right back, y'all. All right, so again, the name of the company is AISI hair or AISI hair. It is a straight wig with bangs, 16-inch dark brown shoulder length, layered straight wig, natural looking, heat resistant, full wig. It is definitely a full wig. Let me let you guys know that I have this wig pulled way, like the part that's supposed to be like right here is way up here. Let me just show y'all. Like, you see that? Because I don't like hair being in my face. Like, I hate bangs being over my eyebrows. I hate bangs. Like, I won't. You know how long it took me to do these eyebrows, sis? Do you know how long it took me to do these brows? You think I want some bangs covering them up? No. Let me get my brow out there, okay? At least one of them hugs. Anyway, let me stop being silly. Yeah, it's not a bad wig. If you like a full wig, if you like something that's a plop and go, sis, this wig might just be for you, babe. The wig retails for $24.99. I'm gonna leave all of their information down in the description box below. I don't know if it comes in any other colors. It does not look like it. But they have a plethora of wigs on their site. Y'all know me. I'm going to leave all the information down below in the description box. All the specs on the wigs, all the claims, the deets, all that good stuff. It'll be down there. And you know what else is going to be down there, sis? A link for you to go follow me on Instagram, girl. Hush. You guys know you can find me on Instagram at Ifa_K_slays. So that's it. That's it. She was a quick little plop. Now this is the true definition of a plop and go. I mean, how could I forget? This thing sheds like nobody's business though. I am not kidding you. She sheds like no lace to cut. You shedding though. Get your life, okay? Get your whole life. The entire thing. So, yeah. She does shed, but minimal tangling. Even with how bad I threw her in the bag after I took her off my head. After the first time, it still came out the bag. And she was good to go. Just running my fingers through her. Yeah, but she does shed. Says she sheds like a summer mama. yeah, I think that's it though, y'all. She's super big head friendly, extremely beginner friendly. Like, you can't get no more beginner friendly than take out the bag, take the net off, and put on your head. Like, done. So that's it. I love you guys. I pray God keeps y'all and covers y'all and bring y'all back to me. I love y'all.